Today, I'm going to show you all of the steps you can take to create this fun, vibrant rainbow mandala using nothing more than acrylic markers. Y'all, the good people over at Woomer has sent me a whole set of 36 markers. The same day I got them, I was so excited to try this out. I grabbed a 3-inch art stone. I gave it 2 coats of black base paint. I let it dry. I used my 3-inch DIY stencil to get these guidelines on here. Y'all, I got a whole video on how to base paint and get these guidelines. I want to get right to the art. I plan on putting these markers to the test. If you've ever painted a mandala on black base paint, you know it is super hard to get those lighter colors to really cover that black base paint. Some people will go ahead and use a white paint first or a gesso, just so they don't have to put so many layers of paint on there. Not me, y'all, and I want to make this mandala just like I would using my regular old acrylic paint and dotting tools. So let's put it to the test. I can already tell that we're going to need several layers with this light color orange, and that is just fine by me. I am going to try to walk all the way through the rainbow and test out as many colors as I can and make a very vibrant, fun rock. All right, you guys, so far so good. This paint is really coming out of these markers so well. There's some instructions on the side, but it's in Chinese, so I'm not quite sure what it's saying, but the picture looks like it wants you to shake the marker and maybe tap the tip on something. I'm really shaking them, but I haven't done anything more than that. The paint is flooding to the tip. I am not having a fight with this at all, and if you've ever used acrylic markers, you know exactly what I mean. I'm really impressed with this tip. Would you look at these cute little petals? That might be a thing I'll have to explore. I like making those a lot. So far, so good, you guys. Okay, so far I've been letting each color dry and then maybe giving it a second coat. You can really see through this white though, so I'm gonna try just going right ahead and giving it a second coat right now and see if that does it. All right, it's about right now where I'm really noticing that white paint is cracking, just like my acrylic paint, you guys. I think it's because I have a fan on in my art room, and I doubled up on the paint thickness there, trying to get it to cover really well. But I am noticing it, I guess, crack there. I can't see it with my bare eye, but I can definitely see it in this video, and make no mistake, it is there. However, this purple is like super covering this. Isn't that beautiful? Y'all, I'm having so much fun with this. I don't know, maybe it's just the fact that I don't have to pour paint out. I don't have to mix it with anything. I'm not having to clean my tools. It is such a fun little break. Now, I have let all technique go in this video, and I am just having fun with it. I can't quit dotting. And I don't know, it's just so much fun. And those teardrops, I'm obsessed. That is super fun. I'm gonna try giving that white paint another coat and seeing what it does. Okay, these colors are gorgeous, you guys. I'm not having any problem with the darker colors, so you know what I've got to do. I've got to get that black paint out. If you've been watching my videos for any time, you know I love a good black top dot. And would you look at how good this is coming out? I'm obsessed with these petals. Let's put them everywhere, y'all. While I'm doing that, I want to give a great big shout out to one of our channel members, Joe. I am so excited that you joined channel memberships and that you are supporting this channel, my art, and me in such a generous way. I just want to make sure that you notice, that I notice, and thank you. All right, I tried a different orange and then now I'm trying a different yellow and I can see that they're not covering either. So it's just like the regular paint. It's just hard to cover that black. I'm gonna put that to the test. I'm gonna take this new orange and this new yellow that I've used down here on these petals, and I wanna bring them back to the top in those yellow and orange squares. I wanna put a petal in each one and see if it's just that background color. We'll do that in just a second. Oh yeah, that looks like it's really gonna cover. If you guys are interested in markers, oh, would you look at the yellow? You guys, it is covering that orange really well. All right, it turns out that it really is just my black base paint. If you guys are interested in making some mandalas with these markers, just because honestly, it is so much fun, y'all. But if you're interested in it, you might consider doing that white background or a light colored background if you plan on using these warm light colors. Okay, I'm gonna have to admit that I've probably had more fun doing this than I have anything else in quite a long time. I'm gonna go ahead and go back over these white dots just one more time and give them a chance. But you guys, I have to recommend this. This was totally fun. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dry probably overnight, and I'm gonna come back, I'll take a wet cotton swab and I'll go ahead and wipe off any lingering guidelines. I can still see them in a few places. So I'm going over it, and good news, that paint is not running at all, and I cheated just a little bit. I didn't wait overnight. I only waited a couple of hours. So this paint has set up really well. I'm gonna give it a coat of resin and then we'll get to that final reveal. I can't wait to show y'all what it looks like. All right, while I'm resining that rock, let me show you all of the supplies I used in this video. This is my DIY stencil that I used to get those guidelines, and these are the markers that I used to complete this rock. Thank you so much to the people at Woomer who decided to send this little channel a very big gift. I really think that was special, and thank you so much. Holy moly, look how vibrant this stone is, y'all. This one is a winner. This was so fun. I hope you go get a set of these markers and give it a shot. I've got a link down in the description. Check out all of my videos, and until next time, rock on.